on World Ocean Day. Radio Mirchi is coming up with special broadcast for our viewers. Decoding the challenges, our RJ Prerna has exclusively spoken to Navy officials. Have a look yourself.
The ocean covers 3/4 of the total planet, or say approximately 70% of the total surface of the planet. It is crucial to understand the vast blue region, but this time through the Indian Navy's eyes.
On World Ocean Day, the 8th of June, Mirchi Mumbai plans a special broadcast, Mirchi on the Ocean.
आज की वर्ल्ड ओशन डे है, वो INS Mormugao जो कि लेटेस्ट डिस्ट्रॉयर शिप है इंडियन.
Mirchi will be live from Navy warship INS Mormugao. Mirchi has set up a temporary studio aboard the warship to conduct live shows featuring the commanding officer and his colleagues.
Here we are showing you the visuals of the Navy ship on which the radio station has been temporarily set up, and this initiative is called Mirchi on the Ocean. Now this ship is INS Mormugao, and one can see on the occasion of World Ocean Day, throughout the day, Radio Mirchi will be hosting from this particular warship. The RJs are here, the naval officers are here, and lot many talks on the perspective through what Indian Navy means.
आज पहली बार एक इंडियन वॉरशिप पर INS मोरमुगांव पर खड़े होकर यहाँ पे जो इंस्टॉलेशन है, रेडियो स्टेशन हमने लगाया है, फिक्स किया है. इट्स इन द हिस्ट्री ऑफ इंडिया फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, इन द सिटी फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, इन माय करियर फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. सो सरियल, मतलब मैं क्या ही कहूँ आपको. और ऐसी कहानियाँ जो हम देखकर सुनकर सिर्फ प्रभावित होते हैं, इंस्पायर होते हैं. और एट द एंड ऑफ द डे आई थिंक मेरे हिसाब से सिर्फ यही, इट जस्ट बॉयल्स डाउन टू द फैक्ट कि ये हमारी तरह इंसान है. इनको भी शक्कर खाना है, इनको भी घर जाना है, इनको भी प्यार होता है. और सल्यूट टू इंडियन नेवी.
एक गाना फ्रॉम रेडियो मिर्ची, लेट्स गो अहेड.
जीना यहाँ मरना यहाँ, इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ.
The commanding officer will share his experience and leadership at sea, while officers with more than 10 years in service will speak on their careers. The radio outlet will also conduct chats with female Agniveers on their journeys and evolving role of women in the Navy. The chats and interviews will provide a rare glimpse into the life of Navy personnel for a better understanding of Indian Navy's role.
The ocean is a very challenging environment, unlike what we are used to on land. You are always mobile, you are on sea, on water. And we in the Navy always say that the ocean is the biggest teacher. It teaches us every day, and it teaches us to respect the elements. It teaches us to respect the resources that we have as humanity. And as far as the Navy is concerned, we are very proud to go out in this challenging environment every day and meet the nation's goals to protect our maritime interests. And that is what keeps us going, keeps us very proud, and keeps us firmly focused on our tasks every day. The oceans is what our trade, our prosperity, our growth rides on, and therefore protecting our waterways, our sea lines of communication are not just important from a defense point of view, but also from the point of view of growing our country in the future.
The Indian Navy is a custodian for not only protecting the country's interests, but also ensuring safe passage of commercial ships through crucial lanes like the Strait of Malacca.